The innovative power-on-demand system from Novus makes the Novus B8FC a highly efficient stapler because the pop-up lever saves over 70% of the effort you need for stapling up to 50 sheets of standard paper. To deal with a large quantity of paper, simply release the power-on-demand lever and staple even thick stacks very easily. Needless to say, you can also use the Novus B8FC with the lever folded down, like a conventional flat clinch stapler. The bypass system bends the staple legs next to each other and not on top of each other on the rear of the stack. That's why up to 50 sheets of standard paper can be stapled with just one staple type, the 24/8 super staple. This way, smaller quantities of paper can be stapled with long staples without having to change staple types. With flat clinch technology, the staple ends are bent inwards after penetrating the paper and pressed down particularly flat against the paper. By reducing filing space by over 30%, binders can hold much more. With flat clinch stapling from Novus, staples are furthermore extremely easy to take out again with the staple remover, whenever necessary. The movable anvil makes it very easy to change between stapling and pinning. In combination with flat clinch stapling, this is patented by Novus. With this system of temporary fastening, staples can be taken out quickly and easily without a staple remover. This makes pinning perfect for keeping papers together over short periods, for example for documents in circulation. More comfort provides the press button loading system. By pressing a button at the rear of the staple magazine is released for front loading. After loading, you close the staple magazine and continue stapling. The Novus B8FC is available in black and white.